What is happening, guys? Raoul TV, Team R4UL. Back again, right? And what we're doing this time around is we have got the boss's car, okay? The missus car, the boss's car, complaining that it's misfiring, okay? I drove it, okay, and nothing wrong with it, okay? But I have to take her word for it. It's misfiring. And yeah, I think it just needs a set of spark plugs. So we've got a Peugeot 107 and we're going to go ahead and replace the spark plugs. Let's do it. Damn, I thought it was going to be, easy. It was harder than it looks. Right, okay. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to take this off. Boom. Take this off. Boom. Take this off. This off. Okay, so that comes off from there. And then lift it up from there. And we'll leave that bit on there. No, that comes off from there. Yeah. Leave that, just put it to a side like that, or put it to whichever side you want. And the spark plugs live there. Ta-da! Let's go ahead and replace them. If you want to, you can go ahead and take that off from there, but I wouldn't bother because that clip there, absolute stupid clip. You don't want to mess about with that clip, right? Okay, you can go ahead and take it off if you want, but look, you can gain access to them nice and easy, no problem, right? So what's the point in taking all that off? Right, so what we do is to get a 10mm, take that off, take that off, take that off, and we'll go from there. Okay, just before you go ahead and take the 10mm off, you can go ahead and take these plugs off, press it here, and then pull, press down, pull again, this one as well, press, and lift off, that's it. Happy days. Okay, what we do now is we get a 10mm socket like that, and the extension like that, and let's go ahead and take them 3 off. Let's go. Okay guys, so after we've taken the coil packs off, all we do is, as you can see here, get yourself an extension and a spark plug socket. You can get these from eBay, Temu, Spare Shop, anywhere. Dead easy, to find. Or if you haven't got one of them, and if you want to go all cheap and everything, I'm only messing, I'm not all cheap. Just get yourself a 16mm socket, right, which fits down there. Okay, go ahead and take them off, anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. Let's go. Right guys, they're the old spark plugs. I think they've seen better days. We've got a new one there. Right, so there's a plane going over. Must be an A320. Has to be an A320. Right, anyway, forget about that. We need to concentrate on this. Right, so what it is, with these spark plugs, don't go firing them in, right, okay? Make sure you put it on your socket like that, or a magnet or something, and nicely, just like that, gently put it in with your fingers first, with your hands first, like that. Sorry about the noise in the background. Put them in all the way with your fingers, okay? Same with the other two, and yeah, then we'll go tighten them up. Okay, so just make sure you put them on with your fingers first. Okay, after you put them in with your fingers all the way, get a normal ratchet, don't go using the electric ratchet, and just tighten them up. If you want the correct torque setting, just check out Autodata, you'll get the correct torque setting. I don't mess about with the torque settings. What you need to do is just get yourself a ratchet and just tighten it up, that's it, the best you can. Okay, there we go, they should be tight enough. I'll just double check them. I'm going to put the camera down, double check it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, what we'll do then is put all these coil packs back on, just like that. Just put them all back on. Okay, get these 10mm back on. It is really windy, storm, whatever it is, Claudia or Myra or whatever it is. So yeah, let's put all these back on. You get the drill, you get the picture, put them on, we'll go from there. Okay guys, all you do now is just swing this over the air filter, push it down on that side as well. Easy, nice and easy. There we go. All done and dusted guys. There we go. That's how we replace the spark plug on a 2006 Peugeot 107 little 3-cylinder. Dead easy. You know, like, if you want to take the full air filter box off, you can do, but you don't have to. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video helped you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. For the torque settings, if you really want to go all professional and get the torque settings for the spark plugs, I'll leave it in the description. But you don't have to. Just tighten them up and then you're good to go. Anyway, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.